Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Radio. Today's story is not about kings or adventures. It's about something very simple, but very powerful: gratitude. It's called the habit of gratitude. Be thankful every day. Let's begin. There once lived a young man named Ethan. He was always busy, working hard, chasing success, and dreaming about a better life. Every day he woke up early, went to work, and came home late. He had a small apartment, some friends, and enough money to live. But still, he felt something was missing. One day, as he was walking to work, he saw an old woman sitting near a park bench. Her clothes were old, her hands were thin, but her eyes were bright. She was smiling while feeding some birds. Ethan stopped and asked, "Excuse me, why are you smiling? You seem so happy." The old woman looked up and said gently, "Because I am grateful. Every day, I thank life for giving me one more morning, one more smile, and one more chance to see the sky." Ethan was surprised. He had everything she didn't. Yet she looked happier than him. That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. He thought about the woman's words. The next morning, he decided to try something new. He took a small notebook and wrote on the first page, "My gratitude journal." Then he wrote 3 simple things he was thankful for. 1, I have a bed to sleep in. 2, I have food to eat. 3, I have people who care about me. It didn't seem like much, but writing those words made him feel calm. He started doing it every day, writing just 3 things he was grateful for. Days turned into weeks. Ethan noticed a change inside him. He started smiling more, worrying less, and feeling lighter. He began to see the beauty in small things: the warmth of sunlight in the morning, the laughter of a friend, the taste of his favorite tea. When problems came, he still felt strong, because gratitude gave him peace. He understood that being happy doesn't mean having everything you want. It means being thankful for everything you already have. One evening, after a long day, Ethan went back to the same park. He saw the old woman again, sitting quietly under the same tree. He smiled and said, "Ma'am, thank you. You taught me something I'll never forget." The old woman laughed softly and said, "No, young man. Gratitude is something life teaches all of us, if we take the time to listen." They sat together watching the sunset. The sky was full of colors: orange, pink, and gold. And Ethan whispered, "Thank you, life, for another beautiful day." Since that day, Ethan made gratitude a habit. He said thank you when he woke up. He said thank you before sleeping. Even on hard days, he tried to find one good thing, one reason to smile. Slowly, his life began to change. Not because he got more things, but because he learned to see the good in what he already had. And now, dear listener, I want to ask you something. What are you thankful for today? Maybe it's your family, maybe your health, maybe just the chance to listen to this story right now. Remember, gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a way of living. When you make it a habit, you find peace in every day and joy in even the smallest things. Thank you for listening to English Radio. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone you love. And remember, be thankful every day, because gratitude is the key to true happiness.